Hello and namaste to all. I am Anshu and welcome back to my channel. So I am standing outside Delhi Gate metro station and we are going to go to Daryaganj. It is famous for its Sunday book market. So I'll take you along and at the end of this video I'll show you what all books I got and at what prices. So let's go. It's just 100 steps from the metro station. You can get out at gate number 1 or gate number 6 and you'll find the market in front of you and you can just walk instead of taking any rickshaw or auto rickshaw. So this is a Sunday market. You can come at like 10:30 in the morning and in the evening it closes. So if you want to buy some cheap novels or some books you want, even course books are available here and basic stationery like notebooks, normal bags and something like that. So you can find simple craft items like craft papers, glitter papers, scissors, tapes, Fevicol and all kind of stuff over here. So you can get this from here. They are not as cheap as you would think. They're comparable to the prices as you get in the market. So it's just that if you are there and you want to buy it, then you can buy it. For buying these kind of stationery, you don't have to particularly go to Daryaganj. Cool. So if you are coming to Delhi and you are coming to Daryaganj right now, it's so hot. You should make sure that you are properly hydrated and you are full. This is the kind of crowd you will get here. Like it is very crowded, it's very noisy. But yeah, you will get the books you need. Also, you will find these few posters. These are very beautiful and they are very pretty. These are one which I like. Uncle, ये आदतें खराब है वाला कितने का है? ये वाला poster कितने का है? And you will find the posters at just 25 rupees. Okay, the quality of the poster is okay. It's not that good, but yeah, it's 25 rupees. You can actually buy this, and this is pretty good. Now if you are someone who's preparing for some competition exams like CDS, SSC, JEE or something like that, you can come here and buy second-hand books because I don't think that courses over a long period of time change for these competition exams. Okay, so you can come here to sell your books if you have like NCERT course books or some other books which you don't want. वह time की books भी खरीदते हो क्या? Time का जो MBA वाला course रहता है? हाँ, खरीदते हैं. कितने में खरीदते हैं? मेरे पास नया है पूरा. अरे बिल्कुल अनटच्ड है, मैंने तैयारी नहीं करी. नहीं, लमसम. Okay, just opposite the Oriental Bank of Commerce, you'll find this shop. Now this shop has some really good picks. And the beauty of Daryaganj, you can find Murakami and Chetan Bhagat at the same place. Oh, Fault in Our Stars. Oh, ये भी नई कंडीशन में है. 13 reasons why की बुक जो तुझे चाहिए थी. देख, even 30. अबे क्वालिटी देख तू. सीता. ओ, ये तो मैं खरीद रही हूँ. भैया सीता कितने की है? 150 रुपए की. यार भैया 100 में दे दो, हम दोनों को एक चाहिए. अरे so I said about 100 pleases to the uncle to convince him that I want that book at 100 bucks. How do you bargain? Let me know in the comments below that how do you bargain. So this is my favorite part about Daryaganj. You can always come here and buy any book at ₹20. You just have to dig in. It's a tedious job, but I think you can find good pieces at just ₹20. These books were really costly. They were small books and costed 100 rupees and this bhaiya did not bargain at all. He did not budge at all. Okay. So I found one more store. It is 200 rupees per kg of books. This is really insane. You can come and find it at opposite National Bank and you can find any book you want and it's just for 200 rupees per kg. So let's dig in and find some more books. So it took us around 2.5 hours to go about and find good books. Actually, they have a great collection and you can find a lot of books. I've purchased like at least 18 to 19 books, but they were all very cheap and in really good condition. So let's get started with the haul. So first of all, it is a very good book. It is a classic. I really wanted to read it. I haven't read it yet. Don't judge me. So it's The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. So I got it at ₹100 at the first shop I entered. So yeah, it's a good purchase. So this one was suggested by one of my friends. Hi Shaina, if you're watching this. The Legend of Lakshmi Prasad by Twinkle Khanna. I'll try to give it a read because I didn't like funny bones that much, but I hope this is a good one. So yeah, this was again ₹75 or 80. Next one is Thinking Fast and Slow. Now I really wanted to buy this one also. Like again, this is a classic. All the books which are available here are either very famous or classic. And if you want cheap books, you can come here. And that's it. Yeah, Thinking Fast and Slow. It was again 120 rupees or something like that. I'll mention all the prices here and also in the description box. So if you want, you can check them out. If you have seen my books video, you know I wanted to read the Sita. And since it was launched, I had a whole story with Amazon and I could not get it. But here I got it for 100 rupees. So next one is Chanakya Niti. Now I have purposely purchased it in Hindi because obviously if you're reading Chanakya Niti, it should be in Hindi according to me. So it's for 30 rupees. Now you're getting the Gyan of Chanakya in just 30 rupees. So okay, so next one is Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. Now I know her latest book is also in the market and people are reading that, but I am still stuck on this one. So next one is again a suggestion by my friend Barfi, who is standing right in front of me, The Sellout. I have not heard anything about it before, so let's give it a try and I'll let you know how this is. This has been on my list since I was in 4th or 5th standard. I really wanted to read Hitler. This is his autobiography, Mein Kampf. So let's see if this book surprised me or I don't know what. I did buy a lot of stuff. Again, by the writer of The Kite Runner, A Thousand Splendid Suns. Again, I wanted to read this since a very long time. So I got my hands today again for 100 rupees. Don't kill me for not reading this before. I am starting Murakami's Kafka on the Shore right now. And I have to complete this and then I'll read the other book of Murakami which is just launched. So next is a graphic guide. Now you might think that I am kiddish, but trust me, these books are really worth it and they're really good. Now these books are a series and they don't have just one author. Every book is written by a separate author. Now I have purchased like 4 of them: philosophy, ethics, logic and Freud. So I read 1 or 2 pages of each of these and I really liked it. So I'll give it a read and let you guys know how these books are. So yeah, finally that's it for today's video. Now I have purchased quite a lot of books and you know that the quality and the prices are really good in Daryaganj. So if you want to buy books, if you are thinking of coming to Delhi, you can visit this place. It is a hub for book nerds. So that's it. I hope you liked today's video. Give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Small Town Girl. Bye.